Okay, so one of the problems in this area right here is the pathway. Although it's wide, it's open, it's mostly a decomposed granite kind of soil. It's pretty uneven. So while we're here, while we have machinery, we're gonna level it out, and that's gonna make it a lot easier for them to move around this space in the future. Basically, we're gonna do a little bit of cut and fill. And so we're gonna cut some down, we're gonna add to that side, and then we're going to use a lumber on either side to hold it up. We are deciding between pressure treated, Alaskan yellow cedar, and Birch redwood. The pressure treated holds will last probably the longest, and it's a great material for in-ground contact. However, it is doused in chemicals, and they have a lot of fruit trees here, so their concern is how many chemicals from that pressure treated get absorbed and leached into the soil. It's probably minimal, but I do share the same concern. I like my food organic, I like it to be clean and to have soil health good. Nothing wrong with pressure treated, but it's a good consideration. So the other thing we're considering is using Alaskan yellow cedar, which is similar to a redwood or a traditional cedar, where it has a natural tannins in it that really help it from rotting in the ground, so it should last a long time. We're gonna look at that. It's cost more than our pressure treated, but that gives us a nice raw lumber. And then the last option would be Birch redwood, which also has those natural qualities that helps the wood from not rotting. However, redwood nowadays is not as tough as it was in the past, where it's grown a lot quicker, it's not as strong, it has less tannins and stuff like that. So out of the three materials, that's probably my least favorite option. However, it definitely is still a good option and will last many years. And we can also use a sealer on it, which would extend its life as well. Okay, so they use the machinery to cut out our pathway here. Next, we gotta get the lumber on site, then some gravel, landscape fabric. We may do DG, still figuring it out. Retaining on the left, drops down. We're gonna come through with some gravel, some landscape fabric. Our beautiful new steps going down this way. Urbanite. You'll notice we didn't do this path exactly straight because the plants aren't really lined up all that organized. A little random with it, I think, really helps out. I'm gonna tuck some plants in between the stairs, so that'd be super cute. Make them look like they've grown in here a little bit. I hope you got something out of this video. Go ahead and ask some questions below. Let me know if you like it by giving me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe. Banjo and I would appreciate it. Right, Banjo? Have a good day, guys. Ciao!